Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn about paper pattern. The paper pattern has been changed due to this ongoing pandemic. So we can name this paper pattern as C19 paper pattern. Some options has been increased. Only minor changes has been made in this paper, C19 paper pattern, for this academic year only. Okay, this paper pattern is for this academic year, May 2021. Okay, from next academic year, the paper pattern will be as usual as it was earlier. Okay. What is the change? The change has been made, as you know that you have 1 to 16 bits. Bit number 1 to bit number 16. 16 sections you have. From 1 to 8 bits, they made changes. And from 9 to 16 bits, there are no changes. Okay. 1 to 8 bit, what they have changed? They have increased one option in every bit. For example, in question number 1, he was asking, complete the verses and explain. In section number 1, he was asking, complete the verses and explain. He was giving 2 options. Now, instead of 2 options, he will give you 3 options. Out of 3, you have to answer 1. You will get 6 marks for it. Got it? Let us pay a quick look at all the 16 bits. Section number 1 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section number 2 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section number 3 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Section number 4 belongs to non-detail, carries 8 marks. Section number 5 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section number 6 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Section number 7 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section number 8 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Then section number 9 belongs to poetry, carries 5 marks. Section number 10 belongs to prose, carries 5 marks. From section 11 to 16 belongs to grammar. In section number 11, section 11 belongs to grammar, carries 5 marks. Section 12, A and B belongs to grammar, carries 8 marks. Okay, 12A carries 4 marks, 12B carries 4 marks. Section 13 belongs to grammar, carries 8 marks. Section 14A and 14B belongs to grammar, carries 8 marks. 14A carries 4 marks and 14B carries 4 marks. Section number 15 belongs to grammar, carries 6 marks, and section number 16 also belongs to grammar, carries 5 marks. In this way, you will have 100 marks paper. Okay, let us discuss the paper pattern in detail. We will start from the first bit, question number 1. Ajib an ahadim mimma ya'ti. Attempt any one of the following. What he will ask you to complete the verses and explain. He is asking you, he will give you poem lines, and in the middle of the line he give you blanks. Blanks will be given. You have to fill those blanks and give the explanation. In this way you will get 6 marks. Okay. Complete the verses and explain them. Allahu Jalla, blank is given, then again blank will be given, As-Sifatul Baqiya. Rabbus Samai wa blank, and another blank is there, Wal Miyahil Jariya. So here you have to fill these blanks. Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu. Sha'nuhu you have to fill. Not only, you should write whole line, complete line in the answer sheet, not just the blank. Got it? It is an important point. You have to copy the complete line in the answer sheet along with the blank. Okay. Just don't copy the blank only in the answer sheet. You have to copy the whole line with the blank in the answer sheet, then give the explanation. You will get 6 marks for it. Now question number 2 belongs to poetry and carries 6 marks. He will ask you to write any one summary of the poem. 3 names of the poem will be given. Earlier he was giving 2 options. Now he has increased 1 more option for you. 3 options will be given. From those 3 options, you have to answer 1. Not the summary. You should limit your summary to not more than 300 words. He is asking you to write the summary in minimum 100 words, but you can extend your summary up to 300 words, but not more than 300 words. Okay. Above 100 words would be enough. Below 100 words, you may lose marks. In this way, you have to answer the summary. Next, section number 3. Section number 3 belongs to prose, and he is asking you to write the summary of any one of the following lessons. He will give you the lesson name. Okay, for example, Suratul Maun, Khidmatul Walidain, Suratul Quraysh. These 3 options will be given. From 3 options, you have to answer 1 summary in your own language. Carries 6 marks. Got it? Now come to section number 4. The only section which belongs to non-detail is section number 4, carries 8 marks. Among 5 questions, from 5 questions you have to answer 2. Earlier he was giving 4 options. Out of 4 options you were answering 1. Now he will give you 5 questions. Out of 5 questions you have to answer 2. Okay, not 1. Earlier he was giving 4 options, you were answering 2. Now he will give you 5 options. Out of 5 options you have to answer 2. Got it? Each carries 4 marks. In this way you will get 8 marks for it. Next, section number 5. Section number 5 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. He is asking you to give reference of the poem. He will give you poem lines. You have to identify to which poem this line belongs. Then give the name of the poem. After writing this line, Hadal Baitu min unshudati. Hadal Baitu min unshudati, you have to remember this, by heart this, and do practice, writing practice. Okay, do writing practice. You have to write without seeing in the answer sheet. Okay, Hadal Baitu min unshudati. After writing this line, you give the name of the poem. For example, Allahu Jalla Sha'nahu, then you may write Alhamdu. Hadal Baitu min unshudati Alhamdu. Okay. Now come to next section number. Out of 5 options, you have to answer 2. Section number 6. Section number 6 belongs to prose. He will give you lesson lines or the ayat of the surah. If he gives ayat of the surah, then you have to give the reference of that ayat, to which surah that particular ayat belongs to. For example, if he gives Khul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, then you have to write Hadihil ayatu min suratin nas. This line, this ayat belongs to the surah An-Nas. Okay. If he gives the lesson line like Kana rajulun yadhabu kulla sabahin ilal mar'a wa yarju fil asha. If he gives the lesson line, then you have to write Hadha satru min darsi. This line belongs to the lesson Khidmatul Walidain. In this way you have to answer. Out of 5 questions, you have to answer 2. You have to give 2 references. Each carries 3 marks. In this way you will get 6 marks for this bit. Section 6 is over, then section 7. Section 7 belongs to poetry and carries 6 marks. Out of 5 questions from poetry, you have to answer 2 questions. Each carries 3 marks. You will get total 6 marks for this bit. Then come to section number 8. Section number 8 belongs to prose and carries 6 marks. He will give you 5 questions from prose section. You have to answer 2 questions in Arabic. You will get, each question carries 3 marks. You have, in this way you will get 6 marks for this bit. Then come to section number 9. Okay. Section number 9 belongs to poetry. One word answers will be given here. You have to write your answer in one word in Arabic. Each carries 1 marks. Out of 5, you have to answer 5. You will get 5 marks for it. Then question number 10. Question number 10 belongs to prose. One word answers from prose section. Each carries 1 marks. Out of 5, you have to answer 5. You will get 5 marks for it. Section number 11. In section number 11, he is asking you to write a letter in Arabic. Okay? Write a letter in Arabic. For example, he has given here, write a letter to the principal of the college for sick leave. Uktub risalatan ila mudiril kulliyati li talabi ijazatin maraziyatin. Okay, then you have to write the letter in Arabic. Okay, it carries 5 marks. Out of 2 letters, you have to answer one, carries 5 marks. Then come to question number 12. Question number 12 belongs to grammar and carries 8 marks. 12A carries 4 marks and 12B carries 4 marks. A and B both carries 8 marks, total 8 marks. In A, he is asking you to identify possessive phrase, and B, he is asking you to identify nominal sentence. Out of 6 options, you have to answer 4. In this way, you will get 8 marks in section number 12. And in section number 13, section number 13 belongs to grammar, and he is asking you to write 2 answers out of 4 answers. Okay. You may give the definition. You have to write these questions and answers in Arabic only. Okay. For example, he has given here Uktub al-Juzain min al-Murakkabil izafi bil amsilati. Write the 2 parts of possessive phrase with examples. So here the question translation will not be given. Okay, only he will give you the heading in Arabic and English, both the languages, but the question translation will not come in your exam. Okay, you have to remember it by your own. Uktubil Juzain, write the 2 parts of possessive phrase with examples. You have to complete your answer. Each carries 4 marks. You will get 8 marks for this bit. Section number 14, A and B, both carries 8 marks. Section number 14A carries 4 marks, 14B carries 4 marks. In 14A, you have to convert present tense into imperative form. Very easy bit is this. This is a very easy bit. You have to replace ta with alif, answer will become. Okay. Then 14B. 14B, you have to convert present tense into prohibitive form. Just prefix lam alif to the given word, it will become prohibitive. Then you will get 4 marks for it. Out of 6 options, you have to answer 4. Each carries 1 marks. In this way, you will get 4 marks. For both 14A and 14B, you will get 8 marks. Then come to section number 15. Section number 15 belongs to grammar, and he will give you 8 fill in the blanks. Out of 8 fill in the blanks, you have to complete 4 blanks with the given options. He will give you the options underneath the blanks. You have to choose the correct word and put in the blank. In this way, you will get 6 marks. Each blank carries 1 mark. Then come to section number 16. Section number 16 belongs to grammar. He will ask you to correct the following sentences. Out of 8 sentences, you have to correct 5 sentences. Minor correction will be there in the sentence. Just you have to rectify it and rewrite the whole sentence in your answer sheet. Then answer will be completed. Then answer will be over. In this way, you will get 5 marks for this bit. This is your paper pattern. Got it?